Today we're going to learn a couple more crazy things about Google Docs. Part of my voice, I was screaming like a madman at the basketball games. So I lost it a little bit, but here we go. We're going to learn how to use an Explorer tool. Okay, we're going to learn how to make a hyperlink like yesterday when we did the Google Doc page where you got to click to all the different websites, or like the photo of the day and stuff. That was a hyperlink. We learned how to insert an equation and a table, some symbols action, and some more page formatting tricks. So here we go. Okay, first let's type a sentence of a state you want to go to. I would like to go to Hawaii. Okay. Now maybe you're trying to make it Hawaii itinerary, right? So you can say things to do in Hawaii, right? And you get your bullets. Okay, well if you highlight a word and go to tools, right, we've done dictionary. Now let's try explore. And then here I have this whole little thing that pops up. Oh, 15 best things to do in Hawaii. Okay, and I can click on it. It'll take me to that page. Pearl Harbor, Whale Watch. That could be fun. Pearl Harbor, Whale Watch. Ooh, turtles. I love turtles. Protect the turtles. Turtles snorkeling, something like that. Okay, great. All right, you can always click more. Scroll down, really see what you want. Okay, that's just an easy way to look up something without having to leave your page. Okay, now we need to make a hyperlink. So let's say I want to remember what website I used. I used TripAdvisor. Okay. So I'm going to highlight the word Hawaii. And I'm going to come click this little button over here, this insert link button. Like it's like a link, a chain link. Get it? Okay, and then I'm going to write either copy, insert link, www.tripadvisor.com. Right, it clicked up. I clicked it just to make sure. Now I apply. Right, now my word is blue. That lets me know, hey, there's a link attached. So if I go click on that link, bada bing, bada boom, here we are. Okay, yours might not let you see TripAdvisor. Okay, but maybe snorkeling. So let's go back to explore. Pearl Harbor. Right, and here's a link for the attack on Pearl Harbor. Copy, control click, copy. Insert link. Paste the first half. Did I get anywhere? I didn't get that whole link. See, I just copy and pasted this, but it didn't get the whole link, so it didn't work. So now I have to go, oh, I can search it. Pearl Harbor. And here we go, attack on Pearl Harbor, Wikipedia. That's what I want. Okay, so those are hyperlinks. So those are really helpful when you want to send somebody to a different document for more information. Okay, or a study guide, that might be helpful. Okay, but I need to plan how many days I'm going to be there, what I'm going to do. So I might put daily schedule. Now this would probably be better in a grid. So let me add a table. So let's go to insert, table. Okay, and you get to drag how big you want your table. Right, these are columns. These are rows. So let's make let's see, 7 days in a week. And I want to go for 3 weeks. So I go 7 by 3. Click. All right, I guess 2 weeks. Now maybe I type my days of the week in there. Monday arrive. Friday Pearl Harbor. Tuesday whale. If you click tab, if you click the tab button, you can just pop through all the different ones. Okay, and as you just noticed, if I get to my last one and hit tab again, I get a new row. Okay, also with tables, you can grab the line and switch them over. Change your column width. All right, this one's like, if it's this, it's too wide. You know, so you may want to bring it in a little bit. Okay, and if you just double click it, nothing's happening. Okay, good. And the same with the row. If I just put my mouse there to hover. Okay, now let's say we want to put a different border around. Okay, never mind. Okay, now let's look up some equations. So sometimes we gotta type some math stuff. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can do it. So let's do my Hawaii budget. Hawaii budget. Right. Whale watch. Is $30. Turtle watch equals $50. Okay, luau. A roasted pig dinner, yum yum, $50. Okay, now so we want to add it up. Okay, I can go to insert, equation. Okay, and see up here I have a new little toolbar. Let me get my Explorer out of here. I have a new little toolbar. Okay, these are Greek letters. This is for different kind of math and stuff. Delta, alpha, beta, delta, gamma, gamma, delta. These are more familiar to us. Plus or minus, divided by, times. You got some greater than or equal to's. So for this one, I might say, oh no. I clicked out, so I lost my equation, so I gotta go back. Now I see how I have a box around my cursor? That means I'm typing in there for my equation. So 30 plus. Find on your, oh no. Type plus 50 plus 50 equals 130. Good. Okay, but I can also do other stuff like new equation. Say I want to type out a division sign. 3 And now 333. Okay. All right, now if I click underneath it, I can write it again. 456. All right. Now if I press the space bar, okay, give me some space because maybe I want to do 333 over 456 plus 275 equals, I don't know. Okay, less than 275 equals, okay, it's on my keyboard actually, is less than 276. Okay, and I have a nice pretty equation. Okay, I can also insert a symbol, special character. Go to insert special character. Okay, these are different symbols as well. So for instance, if I want to put a square root down here, I can look for it, or I can just draw a square root. This one. Okay, if I click out here, put my cursor in, click the square root, I get it. The square root of 81 equals 9. Alright, that's one way to do it. Or I could go new equation. The square root of 81 equals 9. Okay, if I just hit space bar, let's try it again. The square root of 81. If I hit space bar, it's going to keep my ceiling here, my roof going. Okay, so I have to hit tab. I have to hit tab so I can stay in my equation box, but not have my roof continue. Okay, it's going to be really important when you become a scientist. You have to write all your papers. Okay, that's kind of your symbols. So go ahead and write out some math problems. Write out 1, 1, 2, 3 different math problems for me. Pause it and do that. All right, welcome back. Last thing I'm going to show you real quick, I guess one or two things, is kind of how to do the whole document. Sometimes we don't want the page up and down. Right, we want it across. We want it across. So we can go File, Page Setup, Landscape. All right, Portrait's going to make it go up and down. Landscape is going to turn it sideways. All right, so now my page, the short side is on the side. It goes long side. Okay. Now you can still work the same way you would the other way. Okay, but now your page just turns sideways. File, Page Setup, Portrait. File, Page Setup, Landscape. Okay, you can also change the page color. Maybe you went to like a nice light tan. File, Page Setup, Page Color. Okay, let's try green. Okay, I made the whole page green. All right, one last feature I'm going to show you, but probably won't be as effective in class, is our voice typing. Go to Tools, Go to voice typing. Okay, use your little menu here. You can move it by clicking on the top three. Okay. If you click the microphone, when you start to talk, it will type what you speak. Period. Space. It is incredible. Astronauts go there all the time. Period. And then you hit the red button. And go back. You could say period, a new line. Let's try it. There once was a man who had a dog named Sparky. Period, new line. Then he had a cat named Barky. Period, new line. Okay, so it's oh, stop it. So it's pretty close. Right, you have to go through and just check some. There once was a man who had a dog named Sparky. Danny had a cat named Barky. For instance, I said, then he got a cat named Barky. Okay, so little things like that. Little things like that. Okay, great. And that's pretty impressive, right? Hyperlinks, table, whale watch, math symbols, okay, and voice typing. We turned our page sideways. And we learned how to do some voice typing. Okay, all good things. Okay, great. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. We're going to use all these skills in some upcoming projects. All right, be good.